During his time as Environment Cabinet Secretary, Aden Duale prioritized combating climate change and restoring degraded ecosystems. He pledged to restore wetlands and riparian lands, aiming to address the severe droughts and floods that had devastated the country. Duale also committed to advancing the 15 billion tree planting initiative by 2032 and enhancing waste management regulations. While these initiatives were ambitious, their implementation faced hurdles, and no concrete conclusion can be made as to their achievement. Debora Mulongo's tenure as health CS was marked by significant challenges. The healthcare system grappled with issues such as inadequate funding, healthcare worker strikes, and the ongoing burden of infectious diseases, especially with the withdrawal of USAID funding. Efforts to implement universal healthcare coverage were met with resistance and logistical obstacles, including challenges with the SHA system, leading to public dissatisfaction. Transitioning to the Ministry of Health, Aden Duale inherits a sector in need of urgent reforms, addressing the concerns of healthcare professionals, improving infrastructure, and ensuring equitable access to medical services are his immediate priorities. His ability to navigate these complex issues will be closely scrutinized. Conversely, Debora Mulongo steps into the Environment Ministry amid escalating climate challenges. The ambitious tree planting program and the restoration of degraded lands require decisive leadership and effective coordination with various stakeholders. Her previous administrative experience will be tested in this demanding portfolio. Both Duale and Mulongo have held notable positions in government. Duale served as the majority leader in the National Assembly and previously in the Ministry of Defense as the CS. Mulongo's background includes roles in parliamentary committees focused on health and environment. Their reassignments raises questions about the rationale behind the reshuffle. Are these moves indicative of a strategy to leverage their strength, or do they reflect a pattern of reassigning underperforming officials? The cabinet reshuffle has also seen the introduction of Hannah Cheptumo as a cabinet nominee in the Ministry of Gender, Culture, the Arts and Heritage. Wendot is the widow of the late Baringo Senator William Cheptumo, who died last month after a short illness. As they assume their new roles, the public remains watchful, hopeful that these changes will lead to improved governance and service delivery in the affected ministries. David Kagina, K24, Nairobi.